Hello Intranauts, it is Knock It Off Libby, and this is Poppy Playtime Chapter 1, Part 2. Cafeteria's the other. I gotta go in 5. It's a long hallway, people. Can you guys see him? Bay 2. Orange tape. I'm not seeing it. Maybe it's upstairs. But I don't see a tape though. Okay, no tape. It jumped. Oh, there's something over there. It looks like that blue thing. Okay, I got a blue one, a red one. I think I need a red hand, but I don't have one of those. No people on the conveyor belt. Oh! I see the green one. I see a yellow one. Alright, I got all of them. I think I need to put them inside that thing over there. Come on, pull it up. Come on! You take off heads. Great. It's gonna take me all day. I'm not even scared anymore. I'm just annoyed. Jeez. Okay, alright. It's gonna have to do. Okay, I need to pull in a small. I don't want to mess anything up, so. Okay, please don't fly away. Okay. Okay. No! 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 I lost everything. Kick, 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 kick. I'm so close. I'm actually wow. What's the red one? Alright. Duh, guys! Duh! Duh! Whee! Oh, it's a circuit. Oh. Okay. Oh! Okay, we did it, guys. Good job. Oh. Okay. Toys. Make a friend. We made it. Nobody leaves without a toy. Make a friend. Our founder, Elliot Ludwig, was a visionary. He said all it needs is to be fed the proper parts, and it will then paint, assemble, and do a quality inspection of the toys all on its own. Gone is the need for complex sorting or back-breaking labor. This machine can do all that and more. Wow. I'll put some power in this bad boy. That's what I like to see. Yeah? Did I do it? I wonder if I could jump down. Do I get hurt? Oh man, I'm in pain. Okay. No. Oh, E. Psst. Duh. That was so loud. What's going in? Yay, I'm getting a toy! Yippee! Where did my toy go? Did my toy get stuck? Oh! I need another body part. Third body part. Oh! There's a toy, guys. I'm gonna get the... What was it called? Something kitty, right? The cat? They're painting it. Okay. Oh, I gotta take you. Boom, shakalaka. Toy accepted. The stairs to hell. I can't move. How do we do this? Ah! Go! Go! The hole! The hole! Oh no! Not the hole! Ah! Not the hole! The Soto. Go! Go! Ah! Don't something. Oh my god! Oh, my throat hurts. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. No, wait. Don't panic. Straight. Left. Jump, jump. Oh my god. Straight. Oh my goodness, it's right behind me. Go! Jump! I don't know where I'm going. Ah! I can't. I can't. I'm taking them off. I'm so sorry. I found it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh! Wrong way! Right. Oh! I'm so cool. Yeah! Guys, got rid of him. Huggy Wuggy, dead. We found them. Come on, let's go. I know there's no VHS tape. Okay, let's just go. Oh yeah, there is. Let's watch it before we go in that creepy hole.
Final log. In relation, experiment 1006, the prototype. Coordination and cooperation is evidently within his skill set, as well as the skill set of all other experiments of his type. Though still missing, today's events are no doubt in relation to him. His absence was a flaw in the scientific process, which should have under no circumstances been left unaccounted for. That's why I'm making this log, so that the same mistake won't be made twice. Any future experiments will need to be contained and disposed of in a secure location. I'm not worried about myself. One breakthrough and I'll be back. We must forge onwards in the name of science, whether those who are beneath us understand it or not. End of...
Dang. Huggy got him. Why is Huggy so hungry though? All the toys. Turn around and go back. I gotta figure out where all these people are. Okay. They put them in cages? They're in the back rooms. It's Poppy.
You opened my case.
Oh, chapter 1, a tight squeeze. Okay. I opened her case, guys. I let her out. But I was supposed to find the people. Huggy ate them all, and Poppy. There's some kind of... There's some kind of... That's pretty sick. There's some kind of, evil Poppy. But how did Huggy just went wrong, huh? That's terrible. Well, that's the first chapter, A Tight Squeeze. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next chapter because I gotta play it. But anyways, good night. I hope you have a good day. Make sure to eat your greens. That's what Dino said. Listen, because it's very important you get, like, tall, strong, or just smart, okay? Use your brains. Use your brain. Open the doors. You know, there's always a way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like and or subscribe if you like the video. And if you have any suggestions, I would love to hear those in the comments. I'll see you later, Intranauts. This is Knock It Off Libby. Bye! That was so great.